Alright guys, I just came from the Gold Coast in order to take my drug test. Kasi nga naman, I already got the job as a supervisor of California Hotel. So, as soon as I get also my casino card on Monday, then I will be starting already on Tuesday. Okay, so maliban pa sa trabaho ko bilang talent director of the studio group. So now I'm okay. All right. It took me a long time in order to go to different hotels, go to different places where I could apply for a job, and then finally, ayon, I got them all. I got all what I wanted. See? So patience is just the greatest virtue, because I have already tried different types of job. I was always denied. I was always rejected. So I'm so glad that at the end I got it. All right. Plus, it is the right position for me as well. So hindi lang yung kung ano-anong mga klaseng trabaho dyan na trinay kong pasukan just for the heck of just to have a job, pero I was not lucky. So siguro it wasn't really meant na talagang magkaroon ako ng mga jobs na ganun, 'di ba? Biro mo, I even thought of applying to those also, pero hindi ako natanggap. So I guess it was just a coincidence talaga na hindi talaga ako natanggap because they were not for me. Plus, I don't have an experience at all, so hindi ko kailan may naranasan. So, mas okay sa akin yung ganitong klaseng job na talagang pang-professional talaga o diva. Kasi I'd rather do something that I like doing. Plus, it suits me as a career woman. Hindi lang yung pagiging showbiz personality o kaya showbiz person, kundi at least meron na rin akong isang may pagmamalaking profession. Alright. Masarap kayo yung tinatawag na, professional yan. Hindi yung kung ano-ano na lang, di ba? So, eto, I got it. So, I'm so glad. I'm very, very thankful dahil kahit papano, tinulungan ako ni na Bingbing, tapos through Maria, siya yung napakilala sa akin kay Bingbing. And Bingbing, or anong pangalan niya? Valerie, happened to work there also. Kaya ayun, maganda na rin talaga yung may kakilala ka. Tapos I had applied sa kanilang online application, so tinanggap naman nila kung ano yung resume ko, and then nakapasa. So kahit nga may kakilala ka, kung hindi naman talaga matanggap talaga yung ano mo, if you're not really qualified, so wala ring silbi. So nakatulong din talaga na meron din akong background in terms of being a professional. Kaya ayun, thank you Lord.